But a very good evening from us in India. And on behalf of Chairperson Indira Group of Institutes, Dr. Tarita Shankar, Group Director Indira Group, Professor Chetan Vakalkar, all the directors from the Indira Group, faculty members, and our students, I extend an extremely warm welcome to you. Your session today is part of the series that we have annually, which is the Global Leadership Lecture Series. And in this series, we invite acclaimed global leaders who share their vast knowledge and experience with our students and add tremendous value for them.
Great, thank you. And thank you for the overly kind introduction. And it really is an honor to be here. And I'm very grateful to be able to speak with you. I'll share that these tools, and I've been a lifelong student of this topic, and understanding how the psychology of the mind and the neuroscience of the brain interface with each other to affect each other and help each other perform better or worse. And they've helped commercially. So these are useful things to study, and these are useful knowledge and tools to acquire to help build a business, become commercially successful.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm, as mentioned, Chandra Agarwal, Managing Director, TCI Express, India's fastest growing express company. I am so pleased to be here with you and have the chance to share the challenges, learnings, and experience we have in this era called COVID era. Logistics industry. This presentation is essentially what we have done as a logistics company in India, and how we've actually maintained profitability and even met customer expectations with all the challenges. Just to give you an information, TCI Express is spread across India, having its own 900 offices and its own network of, we operate about 5,000 trucks per day with about 4,000 people on the payroll.
Now our competitors were also having the same surge. So it was a matter of just keeping a pulse on what's going on with our cash, with our raw materials, with our employees, are they feeling safe? And then with our competitors. So it was definitely, and I played soccer all growing up. And when we were at HBS and our OPM program, one of our professors talked about protecting the core when you're on the field, when you're playing in a game with your team, that you have to protect the core. So that's what we had to do, was just really protect that core and make sure that we could continue on.
So my question is, do you have plans for expansion in the major economies like USA? Can you please throw some light on the same, and what major challenges do you see in such expansions?
And my question is to you, in the real life situations, one has many relationships to manage. So how does one really practice self-leadership?
My question to you is, as a leader, how do you develop the quality culture in your organization?
So the question which I would like to ask you is, how can I train my mind to think out of the box?
And my question to you is, as young generation is into entrepreneurship more, so what scope do you think the entrepreneurs have in this sector?